What's up YouTube, your boy Junebug aka 4-Star June. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube videos for free. That's right, for free. No Photoshop, none of that. It's for free. It's a little website called CANVA.com, and it's like I said, it's totally for free. Don't worry, there is a pro plan you can sign up for money, but I use it for free. You know what I'm saying? Why not use it for the free? You know what I'm saying? Get it for the low. This is not a sponsored video. You know what I'm saying? I'm not in works with Canva or anything. I just want to show you guys how I make my thumbnails. And just, if you having problems making your thumbnails, this is how I make them. So Canva has a free setup you can get. And you can do your thumbnails. You can do your channel art, which is your banner on your YouTube page. You can do posters, presentations, Instagram posts, videos, logos, Facebook posts, invitations. You get the idea. A lot of social media stuff you can do on here. And this is exactly how I made my channel art. It's how I made my thumbnail. And the good thing about Canva, the free version as well, you can use these templates. They say free right down in the bottom right corner of the logos. And you can either use it, you can take some stuff out, put your own picture on there, take words out, or you can just come down here, what I do, to the uploads. As you can see, all my thumbnails, all these pictures that I've inserted, they stay over here. So what I'm going to do is, for my thumbnails, I like to actually take my thumbnail from the actual video that I make. And if I can't find a good one, then I just take a picture myself and make the thumbnail. But I'm going to take this one right here. I just made a video on how I edit my anime videos. Just play. I can play this real quick for y'all, just because y'all didn't see that last video. It's a little tutorial I did. Look, Kamehameha. Hey, Kamehameha. If you want to know how I did that, check out my video. It'll be right underneath this one right here. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do, like I said, when I make my thumbnails, I take them exactly from my videos. And if you can't find a good temp video, a still picture in your video, just take a picture separately for the thumbnail. You can take it before the video, you can take it from the video, or afterwards. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna find it about right here as soon as I shoot it out. And what I do is I export the frame. And I'm working in Premiere Pro, so I find a still in my video. I snapshot it, and I go to the end here, and I take that actual picture. Now this is what I do. For my videos, I like to actually make my thumbnail. Since I don't have Photoshop, I like to make it in my editing software. So where you got Premiere Pro, Sony Vegas, or iMovie, or whatever you edit it on, you can make it there. Just find a still part, take the screenshot, and take the still, and then you edit it. So I'm gonna just put it right here, add the text, just something simple. And I'm just gonna put what am I gonna put? I'm gonna call it anime edits. Anime edits, just as simple as that. And I'm going to highlight it all, and I'm going to come over here to the effects panel, make sure I have the text highlighted, and I'm going to drop this down, and I'm going to change the color to red, and I'm going to keep the background white. This is what I've been using for a lot of my thumbnails, especially on my reaction channel. I use the red with the white borderline, the background there, and I come back up here and I just make it bigger so you can see it. Slide it back over. Very simple. I just take the still from my video, make the thumbnail in the actual editing software or whatever you use. Put it right here. Make it a little bit bigger. Bring it over about right there, and then I come back down here to the strobing background. It's already on 20. That just makes the right part on the outline look good, so I'm just going to leave it there on 20. And then I like to come down here. Hold on, let me just get this off real quick. I like to come down here and mess around with the background and the shadow. I don't really like how that looks. I'm going to take that back down. I'm going to mess with this right here. That doesn't look good either, so we're gonna take this right here. This is what I want right here. Just bold it up a little bit, put that little background in there. See how that background looks underneath it? I'm gonna take that background array also. There we go. I'm gonna bring this up some more. I said I'm gonna keep it right there, just a little bit. And that's pretty much the thumbnail. Just a basic thumbnail, anime edits. Put the background in there. Got me doing the Kamehameha array. You know, Dragon Ball Z fans. You know, we big anime fans over here. And then I screenshot it again. Hit OK. And then I go back to Canva. And I upload it. Canva's, like I said, Canva's pretty much free. I go and get that picture that I just did. And a good thing about Canva is once you put it in there, it automatically brings it down to YouTube thumbnail size. You guys don't know, I don't know if you have a YouTube channel or you're trying to get into a YouTube channel, you can't just put any picture in there. It has to be a certain size format for your for the thumbnail to show up, for your thumbnail and for your YouTube banner. And if you see my banner, how I make my banner was, I found a template that shows you what it would look like if you displayed it on a, if you looked at it on a cell phone, a PC, or a smart TV, or a tablet. And I put that in this little field right here, and then I just turn the opacity down, and then I put my pictures on top of it so I can see what it looked like. I try to go to make it fit perfectly for a PC use or a cell phone use. And those should still look good on like tablets and TVs. So I could be done right here, but YouTube videos, YouTube thumbnails, you know, they're small. So I'm just going to turn the brightness up just a little bit. You have a adjust, you have a crop tool. Yeah, you can flip it, horizontal, vertical. You can put a filter on it, but I usually keep it how it is. I just go to adjust because it is kind of small for the thumbnail. Just turn the brightness up just a little bit. Put it on about 9. Turn the contrast up some more to match it. Then I turn the saturation up just a little bit. I'll say about 10. Then I turn the blur down. If you turn the blur up, it gets blurred. If you turn it down, it sharpens. So you want it to be a little bit sharp. But it is going. The thumbnails are small, so I'm gonna put like on like -5. That should be good right there. It already looks better. And then you just comes out, and then you just hit the download button. It automatically downloads to your PC. Hey, that's pretty much it right there. It's simple as that. And it's free. You do not have to get the pro version. You can skip over the pro version. You can use this free version. I'll make all my thumbnails for my Junebugs Real and Junebugs Reactions this way. And if you want to do experiment with more things, you can come over here to the let's say I forget to edit it in Premiere Pro and I already save it. You can come over to Elements. I like to use this square right here, and I like to say I put it right here in the corner. And you can come over here and change the color of it. Let's go with black background. And then let's go to text, and then just grab any one of these, drag it out some, and let's just type DBZ. Since it's a DBZ theme video, and we can take this box, make it bigger. Let's just cover up the anime edits down here. You can move this around. Like it gives you a lot of ways to play around with it. Like Canva is very a good way to make free thumbnails. And we can change the color of that. Let's say red. And we come up here and we can make it. Let's put it about like 18. Oh, that's too small. Let's put it on like 88. You could drag it out, make it bigger, as big as you want. And it also gives you these lines to let you know that it's centered vertically and horizontally. And let's say I wanted this to be my thumbnail right here. Make it a little bit smaller. It automatically puts it in the center of that box that I shaped, that I put in there. That could be a thumbnail right there, just for however you want to do, DBZ, whatever. And you can come up to the templates. You can use all of these. Throw it in there. You could take away certain parts of it, put your own text in there. Like, it's very useful. I'm just going to click on see all. These are all free templates you can use. They have categories for gaming, beauty, vlogs, workout, cooking. They have all type of reacts you can use. You can put this in there. You can take out certain parts of it. Put your own background picture in there. Like, it's very dope. I love how they do it. Like CANVA, like I said, I'm not sponsored by them. They didn't tell me to make this video. I just want to let you guys know an easy way to make your thumbnails. If you're having a hard time making thumbnails because you don't have Photoshop and you don't want to pay nobody to do it for you, hey, you can do it yourself. It's just like that. Like I said, you just go to whatever you edit in. I edited Premiere Pro and After Effects. Find a part of the video like I just did right here. I could take this one right here. Rasengan, Naruto. Hit that snapshot or screenshot, whatever you edit it on. Every editing app has a way to do it. If not, you can hit the snapshot screenshot button with your cell phone. Take it in there, and then you edit it out in there to make it look good. Put your effects on there, and then you can go straight to CANVA, just like that. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on videos. Check out my anime video. I just did an anime edit. That's for that. I got this screenshot from anime edit. I'm going to actually use this for the thumbnail of that video. So yeah, Junebugs World. You're new to the channel, anime videos and funny skits. Anime skits, anime reactions, funny anime skits, sad anime skits, anime short films. I got a Naruto one, I got a Dragon Ball Z one, and I got a Yu Yu Hakusho one. I got a Hunter X Hunter skit coming soon. But yeah, that's going to do it for the video. Hit that like button. On the way to go, it's up. On the way to 1,000. 4-star June, we out of here.